Hello everyone, welcome back to our class. Na class first time vintuntaithe definitely subscribe cheyandi and share cheyandi. In the previous class we completed exercise 5a. Exercise 5a, that is we completed dot product of two vectors. Dot product of two vectors. Now we will see cross product of two vectors. Cross product of two vectors. First a definition. Let a and b be non-zero non-collinear vectors. A and b are non-zero and non-collinear vectors. The cross product of a and b written as a cross b. Written as a cross b. This is cross product of a and b. Cross product of a and b is written as a cross b. A cross b and a into b rasam. Read as a cross b. Then a cross b and read cheyali. A cross b is defined to be the vector mod a mod b sin theta into n, where theta is the angle between a and b. Theta is the angle between a and b, and n is a unit vector. N is a unit vector perpendicular to a and b. Perpendicular to a and b. That is a cross b is equals to mod a mod b sin theta into n. This is the actual definition of cross product. Cross product of two vectors ante idi actual definition. A cross b is equals to mod a mod b sin theta into n. If a and b are two vectors, then a cross b is equals to minus b cross a. This is important result, and a quick just some result we will use in this while solving the problems. A cross b is equals to minus b cross a. A cross b is equals to minus b cross a. If ijk is an orthogonal triad, then ijk or I is the unit vector along the x-axis, j is the unit vector along the y-axis, and k is the unit vector along the z-axis. Then I cross I is equals to j cross j is equals to k cross k is equals 0. Same product, same vector the cross product and 0 వస్తుంది. I cross I is equals 0, j cross j is equals 0, k cross k is equals 0, and I cross j is equals to k. I cross j is equals to k, j cross k is equals to I, j cross k is equals to I, k cross I is equals to j, k cross I is equals to j. అంటే మనకి సపోజ్ ijk కదా, ijk are unit vectors, ijk are unit vectors. అంటే ఫస్ట్ I cross j అంటే నెక్స్ట్ k is equals to k. I cross j, first to take first and two, first two, I cross j is equals to remaining into k. I cross j is equals to k. Next take next pair j cross k. So j cross k is equals to what is the next I? J cross k is equals to I. Next to k cross I, first and last. K cross I is equals to j. K cross I is equals to j. Same product వస్తే 0 వస్తుంది చూడండి. I cross I equals to j cross j value 0. K cross k also equals 0. I cross j is equals to k, j cross k is equals to I, k cross I is equals to j. Suppose j, what is the value of I cross j is equals to k? What is the value of j cross I? J cross I cross j value k కదా. I cross j is equals to k. I cross j is equals to k. రివర్స్ రాసాం అనుకోండి, I cross j is k. J cross I అంటే what is the value of j cross I? J cross I is equals to, already we know already, a cross b is equals to minus b cross a. దాన్ని ఆర్డర్ రివర్స్ రాసాం అనుకోండి, నెగిటివ్ సైన్ తీసుకోవాలి. a cross b ని రివర్స్ రాస్తే మైనస్ అవుతుంది. అంటే j cross I is equals to minus I cross I. We can write this as minus I cross j. J cross I is equals to minus I cross j. And j cross k is equals to I. K cross j is equals to minus I. Reverse. And k cross I is equals to j, I cross k is equals to minus j. Negative sign తీసుకోవాలి, ఓకేనా? By using this condition, a cross b is equals to minus b cross a. A cross b is equals to minus b cross a. Next we have few properties. If a b c are vectors, then a cross b plus c is equals to a cross b plus a cross c. A cross b plus a cross c. And a plus b cross c is equals to a cross c plus b cross c. So this is called distributive law. Distributive law. let A is equals to A1i plus A2j plus A3k and B is equals to B1i plus B2j plus B3k. Then if we define A cross B as let of ijk, definitely ijk is equal. What is the coefficient of I? A1, coefficient of j A2, coefficient of k A3. So A1, A2, A3. A cross B is equals to det of ijk. First vector only I coefficient, next j coefficient, k coefficient. From second vector I coefficient B1, j coefficient B2, k coefficient B3. B1, B2, B3. This is A cross B. Very, very important concept. A cross B is equals to det of ijk. A1, ijk every vector common. A cross B find చేస్తుంటే ijk every vector common వస్తుంది. Definitely ijk ఇది రాయాలి. నెక్స్ట్ A1, A2, A3 అంటే ఫస్ట్ వెక్టర్ నుండి కోఎఫిషియంట్స్ I కోఎఫిషియంట్, J కోఎఫిషియంట్, K కోఎఫిషియంట్. ఫ్రమ్ B is equals to B1i plus B2j plus B3k కదా. I కోఎఫిషియంట్ B1, J కోఎఫిషియంట్ B2, K కోఎఫిషియంట్ B3. Det. This is A cross B. A cross B. Now what is the actual definition of cross product? A cross B is equals to mod A mod B sin theta n. Mod A mod B sin theta n. Now take modulus on both the sides. Total modulus తీసుకోండి. Modulus A cross B is equals to modulus of mod A, already mod ఉంది కదా, so remove this, mod B mod sin theta into mod n. So what is n? N is the unit vector perpendicular to A and B. Unit vector perpendicular to A and B. So given n is a unit vector kada, so modulus of unit vector is 1. Modulus of magnitude of unit vector is 1. Therefore take this as 1. So model A cross B is equals to mod A mod B, take sin theta because sin theta value does not change. Mod A cross B is equals to mod A mod B sin theta. Modulus n value into 1. Mod A cross B equals to mod A mod B sin theta. Mod A cross B is equals to mod A mod B sin theta. So send mod A mod B left side. So sin theta is equals to mod A cross B by mod A mod B. This is a angle between two vectors formula. We use this formula to find angle between two vectors in cross product. Sin theta is equals to modulus A cross B by mod A mod B. Sin theta is equals to modulus A cross B by mod A mod B. Very, very important formula. Sin theta is equals to mod A cross B by mod A mod B. This is very, very important formula. If A and B are two vectors, then unit vectors perpendicular to both A and B are plus or minus A cross B by modulus A cross B. Plus or minus A cross B by modulus A cross B. Very, very important formula. Okay na? The vector area of triangle ABC is, suppose this is triangle ABC, ABC. Vector area of triangle ABC is half into AB cross AC is equals to half into BC cross BA is equals to half into CA cross CB. This is vector area of triangle ABC. And the vector area, total area in terms of, here see, vector area and area are both are different. Area of triangle is different and vector area is different. Vector area ante we have to express total area in terms of ijk. In terms of vector, we have to express area as a vector form, that is ijk form. Okay na? So this vector area is equals to half into AB cross AC. So AB cross AC has adjacent sides, half into AB cross AC, or half into BC cross BA, or half into CA cross CB. This is vector area of triangle ABC. Adi area ante దీనికి magnitude తీసుకోవాలి. We take the magnitude of half into modulus AB cross AC, that is area of into modulus AB cross AC. Okay na? Formula same, triangle, area of triangle formula. The area of triangle with adjacent sides A and B is of into modulus A cross B. This is area of into modulus A cross B. Area of triangle of into modulus A cross B. Here A and B are adjacent sides. A and B are adjacent sides. Very, very important formula. Easy and important. The area of parallelogram with A and B as adjacent sides is modulus A cross B. This is area of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram is equals to modulus A cross B. Modulus A cross B. అదే వారు వెక్టార్ ఏరియా ఫైండ్ చేయమని అనుకోండి. ఫైండ్ ద వెక్టార్ ఏరియా ఆఫ్ parallelogram అంటే జస్ట్ ఫైండ్ A cross B. A cross B. ఏరియా అంటే modulus A cross B. ఓకేనా? modulus A cross B. The area of parallelogram or any quadrilateral with diagonals D1 and D2 is of into modulus D1 into D2. D1 cross D2. Of into modulus D1 cross D2. These three formulas are very, these four formulas are very, very important. Unit vector perpendicular both A and B. Area of triangle of into modulus A cross B. Area of parallelogram modulus A cross B. Area of parallelogram with diagonals given, diagonals of into modulus D1 cross D2. Before going to exercise 5b, learn all these concepts. Definitely నేను చెప్పిన ఫార్ములాస్ డెఫినెట్ నేర్చుకున్న తర్వాత ఎక్సర్సైజ్ స్టార్ట్ చేయండి. ఓకేనా? నౌ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ 5b. First question. If mod p is equals to 2, modulus q is equals to 3 and angle between P and Q is pi by 6. Then find modulus P cross Q whole square. Find P cross Q whole square. So what are given values? Given angle modulus P is equals to 2, modulus Q is equals to 3 and angle between P and Q is equals to pi by 6. This is angle symbol, angle between P and Q. That is, what is 30 degrees? Theta is equals to 30 degrees. Now we know one condition. What is the condition? Modulus A cross B is equals to modulus P cross Q is equals to mod P into mod Q into sin theta. By using mod A cross B formula, mod A cross B is equals to mod A mod B sin theta. Mod A mod B sin theta. So here we have vectors P and Q. Mod P cross Q is equals to mod P mod Q sin theta. So substitute values. Mod P value, modulus P value 2, modulus Q value 3 into sin theta value sin 30 degrees. Pi by 6 and 30 degrees. So is equals to 3 is 6 into sin 30 degrees value 1 by 2. So 2 1s are 2 3s are. The modulus P cross Q is equals to 3 1s are 3. Modulus P cross Q is equals to 3. మనకి స్క్వేర్ కావాలి కదా, అంటే స్క్వేరింగ్ ఆన్ బోత్ ద సైడ్స్. Modulus P cross Q whole square is equals to 3 square is equals to, what is the value? 9. Modulus P cross Q whole square is equals to 9. This is modulus P cross Q whole square. ఇక్కడ ఏ ఫార్ములా యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాం మనం? we are using this formula. What formula? Mod A cross B is equals to mod A mod B sin theta ఫార్ములా యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాం ఇక్కడ. mod A mod B sin theta ఫార్ములా. ఓకేనా? This is a solution of first question. Now second question. If A is equals to 2i minus j plus k and B is equals to I minus 3j minus 5k, then find modulus A cross B. So what is given? A is equals to, what is vector given? A is equals to, in vector form ijk form given, 2i minus j plus k and comma B is equals to I minus 3j minus 5k. First find A cross B. A cross B ఎలా ఫైండ్ చేస్తాం? A cross B is equals to det of I j k. First take I j k values. I j k. A cross B is equals to det of I j k. From first vector, what is the I coefficient? 2. From second vector, what is the j coefficient? Minus 1. So what is the k coefficient? 1. 2 minus 1, 1. 2 minus 1, 1. From first vector. From second vector, what is the I coefficient? 1. J coefficient minus 3. K coefficient minus 5. K coefficient minus 5. A cross B is equals to, for any two vectors A cross B find అంటే ఇదే ఫార్మాట్ సేమ్. అంటే IJ తీసుకోవాలి, coefficient of I, coefficient of J, coefficient of K. From second vector, coefficient of I, coefficient of J, coefficient of K is equals to, that find చేయండి, expand చేయండి. LSM I into that of, simple డైరెక్ట్ ఫస్ట్ రాద్దాం రైట్గా. డేట్ ఆఫ్ -1 1 -3 -5 డేట్ ఆఫ్ I ఇంటూ I రైస్ ఇన్ ఫస్ట్ రో ఫస్ట్ కాలం కదా, అది డిలీట్ చేయండి. రిమైనింగ్ ఏంటి? -1 1 -3 -5. నెక్స్ట్ జే మైనస్ తీసుకోవాలి, ప్లస్ మైనస్ ప్లస్. ఓకేనా? మ్యాట్రిక్సెస్లో డేట్ వస్తుంది సేమ్, అదే డేట్ ఇక్కడ ఫాలో అవుతాం. సో జే 2 1 2 1 1 -5 ప్లస్ k lies in first row and third column. Already delete this remaining into 2 minus 1 1 minus 3 2 minus 1 1 minus 3 2 1 2 minus 1 1 minus 3. So it is in the form of A B C D. A B C D and A B C D form lo undanukondi data la find chestam. A B C D is equals to AD minus BC. AD minus BC. A into D cheyali minus B into C. AD minus BC. So here also same, I into -1 into -5 plus 5 minus -3 into 1 -3. ఆల్రెడీ మైనస్ ఉంది కదా ఫార్ములాలో, ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ అవుతుంది, ప్లస్ 3 minus j into AD minus BC 2 into -5 -10 minus 1 1s 1 plus k into 2 into -3 -6 minus 1 into -1 ఆల్రెడీ మైనస్ ఉంది కదా, ప్లస్ 1 is equals to I into 5 plus 3 8 into 8 minus j minus 10 minus 1 minus 11 plus k minus 6 plus 1 minus 5 is equals to 8i plus 11j minus 5k. This is A cross B. A cross B value. A cross B. A cross B is equals to 8i plus 11j minus 5k. Next find modulus. Modulus A cross B is equals to under root of, what is I coefficient? 8 square plus 11 square plus minus 5 square is equals to 8 square 64 plus 11 square 121 plus 5 square 25. So 120 140 200 210 under root of 210. This is modulus A cross B. Modulus A cross B is equals to under root of 210. Now third question. If A is equals to 2i minus 3j plus k and B is equals to I plus 4j minus 2k, then find A plus B cross A minus B. First we had to find A plus B, then A minus B, then find cross product. First find A plus B. A plus B vector A is equals to given. A is equals to what? 2i minus 3j plus k and B is equals to I plus 4j minus 2k. I plus 4j minus 2k. First find A plus B. A plus B is equals to, what is the vector A? 2i minus 3j plus k. 2i minus 3j plus k plus vector B is equals to I plus 4j minus 2k. I plus 4j minus 2k. So 2i plus I 3i minus 3j plus 4j plus j k minus 2k minus k. This is A plus B value. A plus B is equals to 3i plus j minus k. Next find A minus B. A minus B is equals to, what is A value? 2i minus 3j plus k minus B value I plus 4j minus 2k. I plus 4j minus 2k is equals to 2i minus 3j plus k minus into plus minus I minus into plus minus 4j minus into minus plus 2k plus 2k is equals to 2i minus I, 1i, I minus 3j minus 4j minus 7j plus k plus 2k plus 3k plus 3k. This is a minus b. Now take a, we had to find a plus b cross a minus b. Now take a plus b cross a minus b is equals to that of I j k. In a plus b, what is the I coefficient? 3. 3 is the I coefficient. What is the j coefficient? 1. J coefficient is 1. What is the k coefficient? Minus 1. K coefficient is minus 1. And in a minus b, what is the I coefficient? 1. In j coefficient minus 7. K coefficient 3. K coefficient 3. Now expand the that. So we can write this as I into, delete first row, first column delete చేయండి. Remaining ఏంటి 1 minus 1 minus 7 3. So AD minus BC అంటే 1 into 3 do 1 into 3 1 into 3 3 minus 7 into minus 1 plus 7. So take 7. Next take minus sign, minus j. Next j lies in first row, second column. Delete first row, second column. Remaining elements into 3 minus 1 1 3. 3 minus 1 1 3. So do AD minus BC. 3 3 is a 9 minus 1 into minus 1 minus 1 and already ఇక్కడ మైనస్ ఉంది కదా. సో మైనస్ ఇంటూ మైనస్ ప్లస్ అవుతుంది, ప్లస్ 1 ప్లస్ k into k lies in first row, third column. Delete first row, third column. Remaining ఏంటి 3 1 1 minus 7. So do 3 into minus 7. 3 7s are 21 minus 21 minus 1 into 1 1. 1 into 1 1 is equals to 3i into 3 minus 7 minus 4 minus j into 9 plus 1 10 plus k into minus 21 minus 1 minus 22 is equals to minus 4i minus 10j minus 22k. This is a plus b cross a minus b is equals to, therefore a plus b cross a minus b is equals to minus 4i minus 10j minus 22k. Minus 4i minus 10j minus 22k. This is the solution of third question. Now see fourth one. If 4i plus 2p by 3j plus pk is parallel to the vector I plus 2j plus 3k, then find p. So we have the one condition, parallel condition, important condition. If the vector is a1i plus a2j plus a3k and b1i plus b2j plus b3k are parallel, then what is the condition? a1 by b1 is equals to a2 by b2 is equals to a3 by b3 if two vectors are parallel. This is condition for parallel lines, parallel vectors. a1 by b1 is equals to a2 by b2 is equals to a3 by b3. Now substitute the values. What values? a1 is equals to 4. Here a1 is equals to 4 and a2 is equals to 2p by 3 and a3 is equals to p. From second vector b1 is equals to 1, b1 is equals to 1, b2 is equals to j coefficient 2 and b3 is equals to 3. a1 a2 a3 from vector 1 first vector and b1 b2 b3 from second vector. b1 is equals to 1, b2 is equals to 2, b3 is equals to 3. Now substitute all values in this formula. a1 value 4 by b1 value 1 is equals to a2 value 2p by 3 by b2 value 2 is equals to a3 value p by b3 value 3. Now take first and last ratio. Take these two ratios. Okay na? So p by 3 is equals to 4. P by 3 is equals to 4. So 3 right hand side and in multiply avutundi. This implies p is equals to 3 4s are 12. P is equals to 12. This is p value. Okay na? This is a condition for if two vectors are parallel. Now fifth question, compute A cross B plus C plus B cross C plus A plus C cross A plus B. So A cross B plus C plus B cross C plus A plus C cross A plus B. C plus C cross A plus B is equals to, by using distributive law, we know already distributive law. So what is the law? A cross B plus C is equal, we can write this as A cross B plus A cross C plus here same B cross C plus B cross A plus C cross A plus C cross B. But we know one condition. What is the condition? We can write this as A cross B, we can write this as minus B cross A. We can write A cross B as minus B cross A. We can write A cross B as minus B cross A. So apply this condition for first three vectors. So A cross B ela raskochu manam minus B cross A. Okay na? Write minus B cross A. Same, we can write A cross C as minus C cross A. And B cross C as minus C cross B by using this condition, this property. We can write A cross B as minus B cross A, and A cross B as minus B cross A, and A cross C as minus C cross A, B cross C as minus C cross B. So write remaining as is plus B cross A plus C cross A plus C cross B. See, observe these two, minus B cross A plus B cross A, both will cancel. Next, minus C cross A plus C cross A, both will cancel. And minus C cross B plus C cross B, both will cancel. So answer is 0, is equals to 0. Therefore, value of A cross B plus C plus B cross C plus A plus C cross A plus B is equals to 0. This is the solution of fifth question. Now sixth problem, if P is equals to Xi plus Yj plus Zk, then find modulus P cross K whole square. First find P cross K. I am finding P cross K directly without date form. So what is P value given? Xi plus Yj plus Zk cross K. Now multiply with K every time in the bracket. So K cross I and I cross K is the first one. Ix into I cross K. Next plus Yj cross K and Yj cross K plus Z into Zk cross K, Z into K cross K. Xi cross K is equals to X into I cross K plus Yj cross K is equals to Y into J cross K plus Zk cross K is equals to Z into K cross K. Already we know the conditions. What are the conditions? Formula is manaki I cross J is equals to K and J cross K is equals to I. J cross K is equals to I. K cross I is equals to J. And I cross I is equals to 0. J cross J is equals to 0. K cross K is equals to 0. Now apply these conditions. I cross K is equals to, what is I cross K value? We know K cross I value. K cross I value is J. I cross K ante minus J is equal reverse. K cross I is equals to J kada and reverse lo istuntam. I cross K is equals to minus J. So take this as minus J value. Plus Y into, what is J cross K value? J cross K is equals to I. Plus Z into K cross K is equals 0 into 0. So what is the value? Y into I, yi minus xj plus 0 into z 0. So this is p cross k. Now take a modulus p cross k. Modulus p cross k is equals to square root of I coefficient y square plus j coefficient minus x whole square is equals to under root of y square plus x square. This is modulus p cross k. Modulus p cross k is equals to under root of y square plus x square. Now we have to find modulus p cross k whole square kada. So do squaring on both the sides. Modulus p cross k whole square is equals to, what is the value? Under root of y square plus x square whole square. Y square plus x square whole square. The square and root will get cancelled. What is the remaining? X square plus y square. This is the value of modulus p cross k whole square value. Modulus p cross k whole square is equals to x square plus y square. Now seventh one, compute 2j cross 3i minus 4k plus I plus 2j cross k. సో ఇలా సింగిల్ ప్రోడక్ట్ ఉన్నప్పుడు మనకి కండిషన్స్ డెఫినెట్గా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. I క్రాస్ j వాల్యూ k, j క్రాస్ k వాల్యూ i అండ్ k క్రాస్ i ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు j. j క్రాస్ i ఉంటే మైనస్ k తీసుకోవాలి, k క్రాస్ j ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు మైనస్ i క్రాస్ k ఈక్వల్స్ టు మైనస్ j. ఓకేనా? సో నౌ సొల్యూషన్ 2j క్రాస్ 3i minus 4k plus I plus 2j cross k is equals to, so multiply with j 2 3 is 6 kada, 6 into j cross I next 2 4 is 8 minus 8 into j cross k next I cross k plus I cross k next 2 into j cross k ఇక్కడ I into k అంటే క్రాస్ ప్రోడక్ట్ కదా, I cross k తీసుకోవాలి అండ్ 2j into k 2 into j cross k. సో వాట్ ఈస్ j cross I వాల్యూ? I cross j is equals to k. I cross j is equals to k. j cross I అంటే మైనస్ k, రివర్స్ నెగటివ్ సైన్. j cross I is equals to minus k. Next minus 8 into, what is j cross k value? J cross k is equals to I. Next I cross k j k cross I value j. I cross k value minus j. Take this as minus j plus 2 into j cross k value I. This is equals to 6 into minus 6k minus 8i minus j plus 2i minus 8i plus 2i minus 6i j term minus j minus 6k. This is value of 2j cross 3i minus 4k plus I plus 2j cross k. Now ninth question, if theta is the angle between the vectors I plus j and j plus k, then find sin theta. Take given vectors as a and b. Let a is equals to, take first vector, a is equals to I plus j and b is equals to j plus k. Now first find a cross b. Value find చేయండి. A cross b is equals to det of I j k. What is I coefficient? 1, j coefficient 1, k coefficient 0. We don't have k term in a. First vector k term లేదు మనకి, so I am taking k coefficient as 0. From second vector, what is I coefficient? We don't have I term, so take that as 0. J coefficient 1, k coefficient 1. So you expand the det I into AD minus BC. For I lies in first row first column kada, delete first row first column. What is the remaining? 1 0 0 1. So 1 into 1 1 minus 1 into 0 0 minus j into j lies in first column, first row, second column. So delete first row, second column. What are the remaining elements? 1 0 0 1. So 1 into 1 is equals to 1 minus 0 into 0 0 plus k into K lies in first row, third column. Delete and remaining into 1 1 0 1. AD 1 1 is 1 minus 0 into 1 0 is equals to I 1 minus 0 1. So I 1 minus 0 1 minus J 1 minus 0 1 plus K. This is O A cross B. A cross B. Next find modulus A cross B. Modulus A cross B is equals to modulus A cross B is equals to modulus I minus J plus K is equals to under root of ఇక్కడ రైట్ రాస్తున్నా 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square is equals to 1 square value 1 1 square value 1 plus 1 square value 1, so is equals to we will get root 3. Modulus A cross B is equals to root 3. Now find mod A. Mod A is equals to modulus A vector I plus J is equals to under root of I coefficient 1 square plus 1 square is equals to root 2. Mod A is equals to root 2. And find mod B. Mod B is equals to second vector modulus J plus K is equals to 1 square plus 1 square is equals to root 2. 1 square plus 1 square is equals to root 2. So what is sin theta formula? We have to find sin theta. What is angle between two vectors formula? Sin theta is equals to modulus A cross B by mod A mod B. Mod A mod B. Sin theta is equals to modulus A cross B by mod A mod B. Substitute values modulus A cross B value. A cross B value root 3. Root 3 by mod A value root 2. Mod B value root 2. Root 2 is equals to, so we can write this as root 3 by root 3 into root 3 root 2 square. Root 2 square is equals to 2 only. Root 2 square. So square root gets cancelled and sin theta is equals to root 3 by 2. Sin theta is equals to root 3 by 2. Now 8th question. Find the unit vector perpendicular to both I plus J plus K and 2I plus J plus 3K. 2I plus J plus 3K. We have to find unit vector which are perpendicular to both first given two vectors. Let A is equals first vector. Let A is equals to I plus J plus K. And B is equals to second vector 2I plus J plus 3K. 2I plus J plus 3K. First find A cross B. A cross B is equals to det of IJK. What is I coefficient 1, J coefficient 1, K coefficient 1. Take 1 1 1 1 1 1. From B second vector I coefficient 2, J coefficient 1, K coefficient 3. 2 1 3. 2 1 3. So expand the determinant I into, so 1 into 3 first row, delete first row first column, remaining 1 1 1 3. So 1 into 3 3 minus 1 1 is 1 minus J into J lies in first column, first row and second column. Delete first row and second column. What are remaining? 1 1 2 3. So 1 into 3 3 minus 2 1 is 2 plus K into K lies in first row and third column, remaining 1 1 2 1. AD minus BC, 1 1 is 1 minus 2 1 is 2 and 1 minus 2 is equals to 3 minus 1 2 2I 3 minus 2 1 1 into J minus J 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus K. This is A cross B. A cross B is equals to 2I minus J minus K. Now find modulus A cross B. Modulus A cross B is equals to modulus 2I minus J minus K. Modulus 2I minus J minus K. So modulus is equal to square root of I coefficient 2 square plus J coefficient minus 1 square plus K coefficient minus 1 square is equals to 2 square value 4 plus minus 1 square value 1 minus 1 square 1 is equals to root 6. So this is modulus A cross B. Modulus A cross B is equals to root 6. So we have one important formula. A unit vector perpendicular to both A and B is unit vector perpendicular to A and B. A and B is equals to plus or minus A cross B by mod A cross B plus or minus A cross B by mod A cross B. Now substitute the values A cross B value and mod A cross B value. What is A cross B value? 2i minus j minus k is equals to plus or minus 2i minus j minus k by modulus A cross B value root 6. This vector is perpendicular to both A and B. Now 13th question, same model question. Find unit vector perpendicular to the plane determined by vectors A is equals 4i plus 3j minus k and B is equals to 2i minus 6j minus 3k. Same model. What is A given? A is equals first vector 4i plus 3j minus k and B is equals to 2i minus 6j minus 3k. 2i minus 6j minus 3k. First find A cross B. A cross B is equals to so det of ijk, what is the coefficient? 4, here 3 minus 1. Take 4, 3 minus 1. B from vector B, coefficient 2 minus 6 minus 3. 2 minus 6 minus 3. Now expand the determinant. So I lies in first row and first column. Delete first row, first column. Remaining 3 minus 1 minus 6 minus 3. AD minus BC 3 into minus 3 minus 9 minus 6 into 1 minus 1 plus 6. So take 6 only. Minus J. J lies in first row, second column. What are the remaining elements? 4 minus 1, 2 minus 3. So 4 into minus 3 minus 12 minus 2 into minus 1 minus 2. Minus 2. Already got minus undi kada. So minus into minus becomes plus 2 plus k into 4 into minus 6 24 minus 24 minus 2 3 is 6. 2 3 is 6 is equals to I into minus 9 minus 6 minus 15 minus 15 minus j into minus 12 plus 2 minus 10 minus 10 plus k into minus 24 minus 6 minus 30 is equals to minus 15i minus 15i minus into minus plus 10j minus into plus minus 30k. So this is A cross B value. Now find modulus A cross B. So modulus A cross B is equals to modulus minus 15i plus 10j minus 30k is equals to under root of minus 15 square plus 10 square plus minus 30 square. So is equals to 15 square value 225 plus 10 square value 100 plus 30 square value 900 is equals to 900 plus 100 1000 1225 under root of 1225. So under root 1225 is equals to 35 square. 35 square is equals to under root of 1225. So square and root will get cancelled. What is A cross B value? 35. Modulus A cross B is equals to 35. What is the required vector? Plus or minus A cross B by modulus A cross B. Here, therefore, unit vector perpendicular to both A and B is perpendicular to A and B is equals to what is the value? Plus or minus A cross B by modulus A cross B. A cross B by modulus A cross B is equals to plus or minus what is A cross B value? Minus 15i plus 10j minus 30k divided by, so modulus A cross B value 35. So take out 5 common, plus or minus 5 take out common. What is the remaining? Minus 3i plus 2j minus 6k divided by 35. Do cancellation if possible. 5 ones are 5 sevens are is equals to plus or minus minus 3i plus 2j minus 6k by 7. This is a required vector. Plus or minus minus 3i plus 2j minus 6k divided by 7. This is a required unit vector which is perpendicular to both A and B. Now 10th question. Find the area of the parallelogram having A is equals to 2j minus k and B is equals to minus 1 plus k as adjacent sides. So sides of a parallelogram are given, adjacent sides are given. What is A is equals to? A is equals to 2j minus k and B is equals to minus I plus k. B is equals to minus I plus k. Find A cross B. A cross B is equals to that of ijk. What is the I coefficient in the first vector? 0, j coefficient 2, k coefficient minus 1. In the second vector, I coefficient minus 1, j coefficient 0, k coefficient 1. Now expand the determinant. So I first row, first column digits remaining into 2 minus 1 0 1. 2 ones are 2 minus 0 into 1 0 minus j into j lies in first row, second column remaining elements in 0 minus 1 minus 1 1. AD minus BC 0 into 1 0 minus minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. So 1 plus k into so 0 into 0 0 minus minus 1 into 2 minus into plus minus ఇక్కడ ఆల్రెడీ మైనస్ ఉంది కదా ప్లస్ 2 అవుతుంది ప్లస్ 2 is equals to 2 minus 0 2 2i 0 minus 1 minus I minus 1 minus into minus plus j 0 plus 2 2k. This is A cross B. So find modulus A cross B. So modulus A cross B is equals to modulus 2i plus j plus 2k. Modulus 2i plus j plus 2k is equals to 2 square I coefficient 2 square plus j coefficient 1 square plus k coefficient 2 square. 2 square is equals to 2 square value 4, 1 square 1 plus 4 under root 4 plus 1 plus 4 is equals to root 9. Root 9 is equals to 3. Root 9 is equals to 3. What is the area of parallelogram? Therefore, area of parallelogram is equals to, what is the formula? Modulus A cross B. Modulus A cross B is equals to, what is the modulus A cross B value? 3. Modulus A cross B is equals to 3. So area is 3 square units. This is the area. Area is equals to 3 square units. 3 square units. 3 square units. This is the solution of 10th question. Now 11th question. Find the area of the parallelogram whose diagonals are 3i plus j minus 2k and I minus 3j plus 4k. So diagonals are given. Take diagonal 1 as d1. First diagonal as d1. d1 is equals to 3i plus j minus 2k and d2 second diagonal as d2 is equals to I minus 3j plus 4k. I minus 3j plus 4k. Find d1 cross d2. d1 cross d2. d1 cross d2 is equals to det of I j k. I coefficient 3, j coefficient 1, k coefficient minus 2 and here 1 minus 3 4. 1 minus 3 4. So expand the determinant. I into 1 into 4 4 minus 3 into minus 2 plus 6. So plus into minus minus అవుతుంది minus j into. So j lies in first row and second column. Delete first row, second column. Remaining into 3 minus 2 1 4. So 3 4s are 12 minus 1 into minus 2 minus 2. Already minus ఉంది plus 2 అవుతుంది plus k into 3 into minus 3 minus 9. Next 1 ones are 1 minus 1 is equals to 4 minus 6 minus 2 minus 2i 12 plus 2 14 minus 14j minus 14j minus 9 minus 1 minus 10 minus 10k. This is d1 d2 d1 d2 d1 d2 is equals to minus 2i minus 14j minus 10k. Find modulus d1 d2 is equals to modulus of minus 2i minus 14j minus 10k. Minus 10k is equals to, we can have 2 square minus 2 square plus minus 14 square plus minus 10 square minus 10 square. 2 square ante 4, 14 square is equals to 196 plus 10 square equals to 100. Total value is 100, 200, 300. So root 300. So we can write this as 100 into 3 రాసుకోవచ్చు 300 ని. ఓకేనా? root 100 into 10 root 3. This is d modulus d1 d2. Modulus d1 d2 is equals to 10 root 3. So what is the area of triangle? Area of parallelogram formula. Area of parallelogram equals to with diagonals unte what is the formula? Half into modulus d1 cross d2. Half into modulus d1 cross d2 is equals to half into d1 value 10 root 3, d1 cross d2 value 10 root 3. So 2 1s are 2 5s are is equals to 5 root 3 square units. 5 root 3 square units. This is a area of parallelogram with diagonals given. Here diagonals are given. So take given diagonals as d1 and d2. So area of parallelogram formula half into modulus d1 cross d2 when diagonals are given. Okay na? Now 12th question. Find the area of the triangle having 3i plus 4j and minus 5i plus 7j as two of its sides. So adjacent sides given. Let a is equals to 3i plus 4j. A is equals to 3i plus 4j and b is equals to minus 5i plus 7j. B is equals to minus 5i plus 7j. Find a cross b. A cross b is equals to modulus ijk. What is I coefficient? 3, j coefficient 4, k coefficient 0. I coefficient 3, 4, k, we don't have k term, take that as 0. Here what is I coefficient? Minus 5, j coefficient 7, k coefficient 0. K coefficient also equals to 0. So now for expand the data, so I into 4 into 0 0 minus 7 into 0 0 minus j into 3 into 0 0 minus 5 into 0 0 plus k into 3 7s are 21 minus 5 into 4 minus 20, already minus ఉంది కదా plus 20. So 0 minus i 0 into i minus j into 0 అంటే minus j 0 into j plus 21 plus 20 41k అంటే 0 into i అంటే 0 వస్తుంది, 0 into j అంటే 0 వస్తుంది, టోటల్గా 41k. దిస్ ఈజ్ a cross b. A cross b is equals to 41k. Find modulus a cross b. Modulus a cross b is equals to under root of items leave man. We don't have I term, we don't have j term, we have only k term. Take that as 41 square. Square and roots gets cancelled is equals to 41. Okay na? What is the area of triangle formula? Area of triangle is equals to half into modulus a cross b. Half into modulus a cross b is equals to half into, what is modulus a cross b value? 41. So 41 ones are 41 by 2 is equals to 2 2s are 20.5 square units. ఇక్కడ 2 2s వస్తుంది and 0 2 20s are 20.5. This is area of triangle. Now 14th question. Find the area of the triangle whose vertices are a of 1 2 3, b of 2 3 1 and c of 3 1 2. So given vertices of a triangle, take this as a vertex and b and c. First write the position vector of a, that is oa. Oa is equals to 1 into I plus 2 into j 2j plus 3 into k 3k. OA is equals to I plus 2j plus 3k. And write OB, position vector of B. OB is equals to 2i plus 3j plus k into 1k. B point kada. So point ఉంది మన వెక్టర్ ఫామ్ లో రాయండి. 2i plus 3j plus k. And OC is equals to 3i plus j into 1j plus 2k. 3i plus j plus 2k. Now find any two sides. అంటే మనకి ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ట్రయాంగిల్ ఫార్ములా ఆఫ్ ఇంటూ AB cross AC adjacent sides ఉండాలి. First find any two sides AB and AC. So AB is equals to, what is the position vector of AB? OB minus OA. OB minus OA. So what is OB value? 2i plus 3j plus k minus OA value I plus 2j plus 3k. I plus 2j plus 3k is equals to 2i plus 3j plus k minus into plus minus I minus into minus minus 2j minus into plus minus 2j minus into plus minus 3k is equals to 2i minus I 3j minus 2j plus j plus k minus 3k minus 2k. This is AB is equals to this. Okay na? Next find AC. Adjacent side find AB and AC. So AC is equals to you can write OC minus OA. What is OC? 3i plus j plus 2k minus OA value I plus 2j plus 3k. I plus 2j plus 3k. So multiply with minus 3i plus j plus 2k minus into plus minus minus into plus minus 2j minus into plus minus 3k. Okay na? 3i minus I 2i j minus 2j minus j 2k minus 3k minus k. This is AC. AB is equals to I plus j minus 2k. AC is equals to 2i minus j minus k. Now find AB cross AC. AB cross AC is equals to, so det of I j k. AB vector A, I coefficient 1, j coefficient 1, k coefficient minus 2, 1 1 minus 2, 1 1 minus 2. From AC, I coefficient 2 minus 1 minus 1, 2 minus 1 minus 1. Now expand the determinant. I lies in first row first column. Delete this remaining into 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. So AD minus BC 1 into minus 1 minus 1 minus minus 1 into minus 2 plus 2 minus j into 1 into minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 into minus 2 minus 4 అంటే plus 4 వస్తుంది plus k into 1 into minus 1 minus 1 2 1s are 2 minus 2. Okay na? So minus 1 minus 2 minus 3i 4 minus 1 3 minus 3j minus 1 minus 3k minus 3k. This is AB cross AC. AB cross AC is equals to minus 3i minus 3j minus 3k. Now find data of AB cross AC. Modulus AB cross AC is equals to modulus of minus 3i minus 3j minus 3k is equals to minus 3 square plus minus 3 square plus minus 3 square. 3 square into 9 plus 9 plus 9 under root 27 we can write as 3 9s are. So root 9 is equals to 3 kada, so we can write this as 3 root 3 modulus AB cross AC. So area of triangle is equals to what is the formula? Off into modulus A cross B. A can be adjacent sides. This AB is equals to A, AC is equals to B. Okay na? And modulus off into modulus AB cross AC. Here AB and AC are adjacent sides. Off into, what is the modulus AB cross AC value? 3 root 3. So into 3 root 3. 3 root 3 into 1, 3 root 3. 3 root 3 by 2 square units. This is the area of triangle. Here I am taking AB cross AC. Instead of AB cross AC, we can take BA cross BC also and CB cross CA also. Okay na? This is a solution of 14th question.